Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Pixel 7 Pro off and removing the SIM tray so you don't short anything. Once done, warm the rear glass with a heat gun or pad to about 90 degrees Celsius to soften adhesive. This prevents cracking. Make sure you have a T3 driver, spudger, suction cup, and the replacement battery ready. Next, use a suction cup and pick to lift the glass gently, then slide a pick around the edge to separate adhesive. Work slowly to avoid flexing the display. Once the rear is loose, remove the T3 screws and lift the midframe slowly. You'll see a metal shield and several connectors. First, disconnect the battery connector to cut power. This prevents damage when you remove other parts. Then remove shields and disconnect the display and camera cables as needed to access the battery. Peel the adhesive tabs under the battery using a spudger and slow, even force. Bending tabs back and forth releases adhesive. Keep screws organized and note small parts placement for reassembly later. With adhesive cleared, place the new Pixel 7 Pro battery in position and reconnect the battery connector before sealing anything. This lets you power on and verify the replacement works. Once confirmed, power down again and install fresh adhesive or a rear glass adhesive kit to ensure a strong bond. Refit metal shields and T3 screws, reinstall the midframe, and carefully press the rear glass into place. If the phone won't boot, double-check battery, connector seating, and inspect flex cable damage as your primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.